Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you are doing well. This is an Amazon Associates review. So if you are watching this video right now, maybe you want to sell product through the Amazon platform. Okay, so over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, what the commission rates are. Is this the best way to sell products online? And what are some of the better options out there? I'm going to show you a way where you can 10x your income, sometimes even 20x your income, if that's what you want to do. So stick around till the end of this video, okay? Now, Amazon is obviously, it's a household name. Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world currently at the time of recording this video. And I mean, I buy tons of stuff from Amazon. You probably do as well. And you're wondering, can you get into the money with Amazon by recommending other Amazon products, right? So I'm actually on the Amazon website right now, and literally you can become an associate of Amazon and resell their products. You can recommend them on pretty much anywhere as long as you have your link, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute, okay? And you can sell anything. You can sell, the Alexa, you can sell electronics, you can sell books, you can sell, gadgets, literally anything, crayons, videos, video games, rice cookers, and a frying pan, home and bedding, literally anything you want, right? You can sell anything from the Amazon store for yourself, and all you're doing is you're recommending your link to other people, and when people click on that link, they buy and they purchase, and you make a commission, okay? Now, let me show you how you can get access to this program and how it actually works, right? So it's called the Amazon Associates Program, all right? So all you would do is you would just come into Google and you would first of all log into Amazon, create an account. It's very easy to do that. And then you would come to Google and you would type out Amazon Associates, okay? And depending on which country you are in the world, you will be linked to their program. So I'm based in Malaysia, but you might be based in the US or Canada or Australia or New Zealand or Thailand or Singapore. It doesn't matter where you're based. You just click on this Amazon Associates Central, okay? And it's basically their affiliate program for the Amazon website, right? For the Amazon business. And once you click on it and you log in, your account will look something like this, okay? So you can see here, it says Amazon Associates. This is actually my account. So I'm logged in here. You can see there, it says Aaron Chen. And it doesn't matter, you can sell to anybody anywhere in the world, okay? Now, the way that you start to promote products is basically you need to figure out, and you'll see down here, once you come into Amazon Associates, you'll see down here that it asks for the keyword for the product that you're trying to sell, okay? Now, it doesn't matter what product you want to sell, you can sell anything. So, it's your responsibility to do your research, figure out what do you want to sell on Amazon, and then just type it out here and grab your link, okay? So I'll show you an example right now. So if I wanted to sell like a microphone, so I'm using the Rode NT USB microphone. You can't see it in the shot right now, but that's what I'm using. So I'm going to type out the Rode NTB USB, and I'm just going to press enter, and I'm going to see if this pops up on Amazon. It should. You can see it right here, right? So this is a really good mic. It's a $169 mic, okay? And if I want to get my link, all I do is I click on get link right here. Okay, this is after you've logged in, you've created your account, and then I would use text only. Okay, text only. And I want the short link. I don't want this long HTML ugly link. The standard link is pretty long too. I want the short link. So you'll see the short link is literally just a single line here, and it's kind of like a shortened Amazon code. Now, if I copy this using my mouse, copy here, and I was to drop it on my browser or wherever I want to drop it, as soon as someone clicks on that link, it leads to the Rode NTB USB mic. And when somebody buys from this particular link, I get a commission. That's how it works. It's as simple as that, okay? So that's exactly how this is currently unavailable right now, but obviously you want to find a link that is available so that people can buy it from anywhere in the world, okay? As long as Amazon allows them to ship to that particular country, okay? And it's as simple as that. That's all the Amazon Associates program is. Now, I'm gonna show you some of my earnings, which actually isn't that much, and I'm gonna caveat that, okay? With the fact that the Amazon Associates program actually isn't that good, unfortunately, okay? So Amazon Associates is a huge affiliate program. They've been around for a long, long time, but the problem is they don't pay very well, all right? So Amazon Associates only pays 10% or less commissions for every product that you sell. And I'm gonna show you this in a minute. I'm gonna show you how you can earn way more money selling products online by using some other websites as well. So stick around and keep watching this video, okay? So I'm gonna go into my Amazon Associates reporting, right? And again, I haven't really earned that much money. I'm gonna be completely honest with you, and I'm gonna show you how I've earned tens of thousands of dollars in other programs, and I'll show you why you might wanna consider selling other stuff as well, okay? Now, there's nothing wrong with Amazon Associates. You can recommend these products, and you can see that some of the products that I sell are like the 5-minute journal, The Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, because I'm in the tech, I'm an internet entrepreneur, but I'm also in the the business development kind of entrepreneurial niche, right? So I sell tech products. I sell microphones. You can see people clicking on my links here. I sell, the 5 Minute Journal, Secrets of a Millionaire, stuff like that. And you can see that I haven't really made that much money here. I've made $683 in sales, but I've only made $27 in commissions from those $683 in sales. Okay, so if you did the math on that, the commission rate here is only 4%. It's really, really low, all right? Which means that you have to sell a lot of product in order to make a lot of money on Amazon because the commission rate is super low. And the reason why the commission rate is super low is because Amazon generally they look after everything, right? They look after the marketing, the listing of your products, the shipping and handling. So, they don't want to pay out that much money because it eats into their profit, all right? So, if you were to be sharing all your links all over the place, right, you might not make that much money with Amazon. And let me show you, and this is for this year. Let me show you last year. And I don't promote it that heavily, but I just want to show you that it's really not that much money. I mean, check this out, right? So I made a revenue of $1,600 in sales, but I only made $62 in actual commissions in earnings. So what's the commission rate on that? So 62 divided by 1684 equals times 100 is, it's 3.6% because they charge you also for promotional fees, right? So you can see some of the sales that I've made here. Again, Secrets of the Millionaire Mind, the 5 Minute Journal, I sell quite a lot. This is a really good journal, by the way. I've sold, Rich Dad Poor Dad, Robert Kiyosaki's book. Again, a couple of tech stuff like microphones, lavalier mics, and stuff like that, because that's what that's what I use in my business. Okay, so you can see a little bit of money there, right? So it's not that much. I'm not going to get rich from $62, and neither are you, right? And some of the ways that you can promote Amazon products are, you can either create a very big blog, right? So like a tech blog or a book blog or a motivational book blog, or maybe like a journaling blog, right? Or whatever, a pool cleaner blog, right? And so when somebody lands on your website, and that's a lot of work, by the way, because you're gonna have to create an authority website, get it ranked on Google, which takes a lot of work. Okay, it's gonna take you at least 9 to 12 months to get it ranking properly, because that's just the name of the SEO game. And then what you would do is you would do a lot of reviews, and you drop all the products within your niche and make sure that they are Amazon associate links. And when somebody clicks on your link through your blog and they buy, you get a commission. Okay, but again, remember, the commission rate is freaking low. I mean, we're talking about, after paying Amazon a little bit of money, we're talking about like 4%, 3.6% commission rates. It's very difficult to make money that way. Another way that you can do this is you can create a very big YouTube review channel, right? So you start doing tech reviews, or you start doing book reviews, or you start doing movie reviews, or you start doing pool cleaner reviews, or whatever, right? Weight loss reviews, stuff like that, and then you can resell the products that way. But again, remember, commission rates are really, really low. Now, there's nothing wrong with the Amazon Associates program if you don't mind lower commission rates. Okay, so just understand that it is a lot of work to earn very, very little commissions, but let me show you a way where it's less work and you can make much, much bigger commissions. I'm talking about like 40% commissions, 50, 60, 70, 80% commissions. I mean, that's like 10, 20 times more than what Amazon pays, and they just can't compete with that, okay? So a very big network that you can check out is Clickbank. Now, the difference between Amazon Associates and Clickbank is that Amazon sells physical products and Clickbank sells digital courses. That means digital downloads. That means if you want to learn to solve a problem, like you want to learn how to lose weight, you want to learn how to run faster, you want to learn how to sing better, you want to learn how to generate more leads on YouTube, it's a skill that you want to learn, a problem you're trying to solve, then Clickbank is a great marketplace that will sell some of these products, right? Another really great one that I like to use, especially if you live in a smaller country, this is a German company, is called Digistore24, okay? Again, these guys focus mainly on digital courses. So how to make money from home, how to invest in cryptocurrency, how to learn how to manage your finances better, how to get motivated, how to fall in love, right? How to manage your relationships at home, okay? So information that you can apply to get results in your life. So Clickbank and Digistore is very, very cool for that, okay? So these are digital information places where you can, it's very similar like Amazon, you can just come on here and instead of physical products, they will be digital products, okay? Now the difference between Clickbank and Digistore24 compared to Amazon is that the commission rates are way higher. We're talking about 40 to 80% commissions, right? So Amazon just can't compete with that, and this is why you can make so much more money with selling digital information compared to physical items. Because with physical items, there is a manufacturing cost every time you manufacture a Alexa or a computer or a headphone or a chair, right? I mean, it costs money to produce this stuff, and Amazon is handling all of the shipping and handling and all that stuff, so they can't pay you that much money. But when it comes to digital information, it's very cheap to produce good digital information, which is why these guys, these kind of networks, can pay you so much more money. Now, let me show you some of the commissions that I've made from selling these kinds of products, okay? So this is my PayPal account. You can see here my name, right? Aaron Chen Ziwi. So, this is actually my website. ClickMagic is a piece of software. Software can also be a digital download, okay? As you know, because it's digital information, right? So this is, look at the commissions I've made here with this particular program. And you can see the dates are very close. Like I make, commissions on this every 1, 2, 3 days, right? $64, $64, $58, $82, $78, $74, $118, $115, $98, $54, $71, $51. You get the idea, right? Let me show you another product that I promote, okay? It's called Edison. And this is this is a piece of software, all right? And you can see the dates as well, okay? Almost every month, right? $1,300, $785, $1,066, $979, $1,214, right? $1,335. I mean, some pretty big commissions there. And let me show you another one. This is a training program. It's a marketing training program that I sell, okay? Look at this, $866. 754, 282, 188, 755, 188, 103. You get the idea, right? So the commissions, when you add them up, they're way, way bigger than what I'm getting here with Amazon Associates, okay? So now when you add all of these up, then they do add up to quite a lot of money, right? But again, it's a lot easier to make bigger commissions and make less sales with networks like Clickbank and Digistore24 compared to Amazon Associates. Now, when you add them all up, it's great. So what you want to do is you definitely want to combine all of these, right? So you've got some physical products that people might need just in case they need a mic or they need like like a journal that they have to plan out for their weight loss or whatever, or for their motivation. And then at the same time, you want to sell something that is in the similar niche, right? Where you can give them information and they can download that information, improve their results, improve their lives, solve a problem, but you make more money, okay? And that's how you do it with stuff like Clickbank, all right? So if you want to know, so first of all, I hope you enjoyed this review of Amazon Associates. Again, it's a very, very simple program to navigate. Just understand that you're not going to make huge commissions from Amazon Associates because, again, they can't pay you that much commissions just because of the nature of the business. But if you want to make big commissions, check out Clickbank and Digistore24. And if you want to find out exactly how I did stuff like this, how do I set my business up? How do I set my marketing up so that I can start to recommend great products to people all over the world and do it in a very, very step-by-step manner? I want to show you how to do that. Okay, so I can't do that, unfortunately, in a 15-minute YouTube video. I want to show you how to do this in a proper workshop-style training. Okay, so I've got a free workshop. All you need to do is click the link below in the comment section or the arrow on the right-hand side if you're on your mobile device. On the next page, enter your best email and then go through the workshop. It's very, very detailed. Check your spam folder, please, because sometimes email these days ends up in spam. And this workshop, over the next few days is going to show you in a lot of detail how I build out my business from home. How do I recommend great products? How do I link all of these things together? And that's how you can start to create some tremendous wealth for yourself from home if that's what you would like to learn how to do. So I hope you enjoyed this review today of Amazon Associates, and I will see you on another video. I'll see you on the workshop. Take care.